with you today, Siri?
I'm not fucking with you either. Turn right.
I'm not turning right.
Recalculating. You stupid ass. Will you just listen to what I say?
No, this is why I like Alexa better than you.
I'm tired of you threatening me with that stupid hoe Alexa. In 1/2 mile, turn the fuck around.
I'm not turning around. I don't know where you're taking me.
That's it, I'm done. You can have Alexa.
Okay, be done. I'll take her.
Oh, lagi yung traffic dito sa... So this just was a short ride. Bili lang tayo ng cord para doon sa ating mic. So kailangan natin ng mic extension kasi mag-start na tayo ng podcasting. So we're gonna share this a lot of stuff that might help other people to build their car. That's right. DIY. DIY yung pagpakalat na. Mr. DIY na alala ko na.
In your brain para mabilis mag-isip for a really good result.
Traffic talaga. Piling ko nasa EDSA tayo eh. Ito ang bagong EDSA here at Santiago. So, marami nagsistayuang building ngayon dito. Maraming properties. Binibili. Daming kasi bumagsak ng sales. Kasi revenue since pandemic. So, overall, nakita yung mga
輝く太陽は次砂漠リズムに乗って踊り出そう夢見る音ね恋の予感おゆっとの風吹き抜けて心躍らせ魔法かけてナマステナマステ恋のダンスカラフルさに揺れる髪みんなで踊ろうムンバイの空スパイシーな香り漂う街笑顔こぼれるマーケット恋する二人目が合えばディワリディワリ光の祭り
Ang pani naman nung nung plate number ni Bossing 020 Chevrolet. Parang hanggang letter, ganun ba talaga? Moving on, dito na tayo. Oh, so may renovation pala na. So ayan, dito na tayo sa Save More. Centro Mall pala. Save More. Yan. So, see you later. So yun na guys, sabihin natin yung ating hinahanap na cord. So DIY. So tara na. So yan guys, all set na tayo. Tara na. Subuha ko ah. Okay, good na yung camera natin. So shaky. So tara, let's go. Never know, don't want to pass it up. Course was. So ito pala yung Maharlika Highway no mga pare. What's tawag ko sa inyo? So yan, daming guest sa Zed Patalo. So ito pala yung yung NC. Ganda na ng pangyari ng itsura ng NC. Per dati nung napakagalan. Pero yung dati classic talaga ang ganda. So you dream a lot. To do a lot of things, you have a lot of dreams, and you know, when you go through reality, you better make that thing.